Hello to all students. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss Klinefelter syndrome. Klinefelter syndrome is an aneuploid genetic condition. In this condition, number of chromosomes, especially in males, increases and persons are abnormal, showing many different symptoms like female. As you know that a human cells contain 46 chromosomes. In 46 chromosomes, 44 chromosomes are known as autosomes, while one pair of chromosome is known as sex chromosome, which in female is XX, while in male is XY. So during the process of meiosis, number of chromosomes increases by some mutation or some genetic issue. Due to these conditions, Klinefelter syndrome arises. So what are the main symptoms of Klinefelter syndrome? Let's discuss them in detail. Usually this condition is produced in young males and it is a common primary hypogonadism. In this condition, male hormones and gonads are at low level, decreased level. If we look at the karyotype of this person will have 47 chromosomes. One X chromosome is extra along with normal XY chromosome. This karyotype will produce symptoms of Klinefelter syndrome: lack of libido, tall figure, small testes, aneuploid female characteristics in males, gynecomastia, breast enlargement and breast growth like females, sterility, weaker muscles, poor motor coordination and less body hairs are main symptoms of this person. Usually these persons are male, they can live normal life, but their characteristics are female-like, which make them differ from normal person. So what is the possible cause of Klinefelter syndrome? As you know that in male and female, during the process of reproduction, gametes are formed inside the gonads, which are testes and ovaries. During gametes formation, a process takes place which is known as meiosis. As you know that meiosis is occur in two stages, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Our normal cells which are diploid present in our gonads contain 2n number of chromosomes, which are 46, in 23 pairs which are known as homologous pair of chromosome. During meiosis 1, these homologous pair of chromosome arrange themselves on spindle fiber and then get separated from each other during anaphase of meiosis. But in aneuploid condition, non-disjunction takes place and chromosome fails to get segregate. As you can see right over here, I have shown only two pairs of chromosome right over here. One pair is going to be segregated. This chromosome is going toward in one cell and the other chromosome is going toward the other cell, produced as a meiosis 1. But the second pair of homologous chromosome fails to segregate. Total non-disjunction takes place and both of these chromosomes will move into single cell. As a result of, there will be two cells, one with 22 chromosomes, one missing and one with extra chromosome which is 24. So this cell will contain 24 chromosome and this cell will contain 22 chromosome. Now what will happen? These two cells will undergo meiosis 2. During meiosis 2, chromatids of these chromosomes will get separated. So I have shown only one chromosome here, which is the chromatids of these chromosomes are going to be separate from each other. As a result, two more cells are produced which are haploid, but these cells are n-1. It means that they are missing one chromosome, and their total number of chromosomes in these cells are 22. So these cells are gametes, either they can be sperms or egg. In the same way, if you look at in this cell there are 1 and 2 these blue color chromosomes and one is red color chromosome. These chromatids of 3 chromosomes will get separated from each other during anaphase 2 of meiosis 2. Resultant daughter cells will contain one extra chromosome, and these gametes will contain n plus 1 number of chromosomes, which is equal to 24 chromosomes. So now these all gametes, either it can be sperms or eggs, they have abnormal number of chromosomes. This condition is known as aneuploidy. These abnormal gametes are then, if fertilized with normal gametes, like if a sperm containing 24 chromosomes fertilizes a normal egg containing 23 chromosomes, will result in 47 chromosomes, and zygote and embryo will contain an extra number of chromosomes in the body. Development will take place in the normal way, and the child will be produced as a male having the symptoms of Klinefelter syndrome. So a person can live a normal life in childhood, then in adolescence, and then in adult symptoms will increase. So how can we diagnose that this child have Klinefelter syndrome? So there are two methods to diagnose Klinefelter syndrome. Number one, chromosomal analysis, as we did right over here, and the second is blood test, which is known as hormone test, which shows that decreased amount of testosterone level in the body. There is no treatment, but certain treatments like testosterone replacement therapy will help to live a normal life with this condition. And some other treatments are also available, like speech therapy. Some surgeries can also be done for enlarged breasts. And that's all for today. I hope you will like this video. If you like it, please share with your friends, and we'll see you in the next lecture. Until then, bye.